Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your application process with Common App, full guide step by step clearly. To begin your application process with Common App, start by creating an account on their website. Visit the Common App homepage and click on Create an Account. Fill in your personal information, including your email address and a secure. Once your account is created, log in to access the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout to navigate efficiently. Next, select the colleges or universities you want to apply to. Use the search function to find schools and add them to your list. Once your schools are selected, focus on filling out the Common App itself. Start with the personal information section, ensuring all details are accurate. Double-check your contact information and date of birth for any errors. Proceed to the educational background section. Enter details about your high school and any other institutions attended. Make sure to include relevant dates and coursework information. Next, tackle the activities section. List your extracurricular activities, work experiences, and volunteer work. Be concise and focus on your most significant roles. Then, move on to the writing section. Prepare your personal statement and any supplemental essays required by your chosen schools. Take your time to craft thoughtful responses, highlighting your strengths and experiences. After completing the writing section, review your entire application for completeness. Pay special attention to formatting and grammar. If possible, ask a teacher or mentor to review your application. Next, navigate to the recommendations section. Invite teachers or counselors to submit their letters of recommendation through the platform. Ensure they know the deadlines to provide their recommendations in time. Mark these dates on your calendar to stay organized. Finally, submit your application once you're confident everything is accurate and complete. After submission, confirm that you receive a confirmation email. This email will serve as proof that your application was submitted successfully. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.